Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video. In this video I am going to show you how you can remove the image, remove the background of an image that you import in Filmora 13. So you can just drag an image from your folder and place it here and it will automatically import, or if you have imported the picture already, which I already did, you can just drag it from here and place it where you want to have it. So as you can see, this is what this image currently looks right now. So there are many options that you can use to fine tune or remove the background of an image perfectly. But the most easier, let me show you the most easiest way. You need to click the image from here, not from here. From here, click the image and turn on chroma key and click the picker option, and from here pick the background color. And as you can see, the background has been removed, and now you can just resize it and put it where you want to be. So that's it. That's the easiest way. The major downfall is when you click an color or when you pick a color using the chroma key option, it will remove all the areas where this color exists in this image. And as you can see, Filmora has removed the white color from this section and this section as well. So I used to do it very easily using Camtasia, because Camtasia's background removal option was very good. It did a very precise job, like 99% of the time it worked very well. But unfortunately Filmora doesn't do a very good job with this one. If you have Canva, then you can use Canva to remove the background of an image, then import it to Filmora. That would be a lengthy process, but it would look better. So that's how, if you are in a hurry and you just want to you just want to remove a massive background from an image, this is the easiest way to do in Filmora. So that's it. I hope you have found this tutorial to be helpful. If you have, please give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Until then, take care.